In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record cashback rewards in QuickBooks Online. Cashback rewards can feel a little confusing because they aren't an expense and they aren't exactly a refund either. They're more like extra income your business earns from using a credit card. To keep your books accurate, you want these rewards to show up clearly, so your reports make sense and your accountant can see exactly where that money came from. First, we'll set things up properly in your chart of accounts. If you don't already have a specific account to track cashback rewards, it's a good idea to create one. In QuickBooks Online, go to your chart of accounts and add a new account. When you're choosing the type, select an Other Income account. This tells QuickBooks that these rewards are not part of your regular sales, but they are still income to the business. Give the account a clear, simple name, like Cashback Rewards, so anyone looking at your books will know exactly what it's for. Once that account is created, you're ready to record the actual credit from your credit card company. Next, let's enter the cashback reward itself. At the top left of QuickBooks Online, click the plus new button. From the menu that appears, choose Credit Card Credit. This form is what you use when money is being credited back to your credit card, and that's exactly what's happening with cashback rewards. On the credit card credit screen, look for the bank or credit account drop-down menu. From that list, select the credit card account that received the cash back. This should match the actual card where the reward showed up on your statement. Now scroll down to the category details section. In the category column, choose the cashback rewards income account you created earlier in your chart of accounts. This step is very important because it's what links the credit on your card to that other income account, so it shows correctly on your profit and loss report. Enter the amount of the cashback reward, then fill in the date to match your credit card statement. In the description field, add a short note like cashback rewards or credit card cashback, so it's easy to identify later. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your cashback reward is now properly recorded as income, and your credit card balance and financial reports will all stay accurate and clean.